Hi folks, you join me at the end of one of my EXR live rows that I do every Sunday, but I did get an email earlier on today, or as a YouTube comment, with somebody asking how you show the force curve in the bottom of the screen, because usually right about here I have a force curve going. So if you click on your icon, go to settings, and then under interface, you can scroll down and you'll see force curve there and enabled there, and that's what helps you turn on the force curve. And you can check out other settings while you are there, but if I then go into a row, let's just pick any old course, and then you can see appearing just behind my backside is the force curve, which is the representation of the power I'm putting into the machine. Now what I'd say is that I had to do 2 goes at that, and I had to take my heart rate strap off because I think there's a little bit of Bluetooth interference going on in here. So although the window would pop up, the curve wouldn't. So if you do have those issues, do take a look and see what other Bluetooth you have going on. But that is how you turn on your force curve in the EXR app.